Well, boys, she chooches. Literally. She's got a smoking problem. But it runs. It's got a miss. I'm kind of afraid this motor ain't gonna be no good. But we got the fuel tank in. One bad thing happened was this fucking Chinese sending unit, the ground lug must have been made out of tin foil, because it took, and as soon as I tightened on the bolt for the ground, it just snapped the fucking lug right off. It didn't have anything to do with me being a ham fist or anything like that. It was just really, really, really thin. I don't even think it was as thick as a piece of paper. So, but we put all new lines in except this middle vent line. That doesn't carry any fuel, and it wasn't in bad shape, so I just reused it. But I'm telling you, it's a little bit more of a bear than I was thinking it was going to be. And I didn't have any asphalt strips. The ones that were on there were in really bad shape. But we found the focus. I wound up having one leftover sheet of sound deadener. So I cut a bunch of strips of sound deadener, stuck them to the tank where the straps go, and that's Bob's your uncle on that one. So man, what a job. But it runs. Now I can pull my compressor out and inflate that fucking flat tire in the front, because it went flat. Alright, that's it for now.